Looking for the best kitchen mat but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best kitchen mats you can get right now. I'll break down comfort, durability, ease of cleaning, and overall value so you can find the right mat to make time in the kitchen more comfortable and less tiring. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Gorilla Grip Comfortable Cushion Kitchen Mats for Floor, Waterproof and Stain-Resistant Soft Top, 3/4 inch thick ergonomic standing desk anti-fatigue mat, foam supports ankles and feet, 17 by 24, navy. If you're looking at the Gorilla Grip Comfortable Cushion Kitchen Mat, you're probably trying to solve a very common problem in American homes, standing on hard floors for extended periods. In the US market, this mat is best known for providing thick anti-fatigue cushioning, durable construction, and everyday comfort for kitchens, home offices, and workspaces. Many people underestimate how much time they spend standing in one place. Whether you're preparing meals, washing dishes, working at a standing desk, folding laundry, or doing household chores, hard surfaces like tile, hardwood, laminate, and concrete can put stress on your feet, ankles, knees, and lower back. That's exactly where this mat is designed to help. One of the biggest strengths of the Gorilla Grip mat is its thickness. At approximately 3/4 inch, it provides noticeably more cushioning than many basic floor mats. In practical use, that extra padding can make standing for long periods feel significantly more comfortable. In real-world American kitchens, this type of mat is often placed in front of sinks, kitchen islands, food preparation areas, or laundry rooms. Many homeowners spend 30 minutes to several hours a day in these spots, making comfort a surprisingly important consideration. Number 2. Color and Geometry Anti-Fatigue Cushion Kitchen Mat for Floor 17 inch x 59 Easy Clean, Water and Oil Proof, Anti-Slip, Foam Rubber Runner Rug for Front Sink Comfort Standing. If you're considering the Color and Geometry Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat, you're looking at a product designed around a slightly different priority: comfort combined with extended floor coverage. In the US market, runner-style kitchen mats have become increasingly popular because many homeowners don't stand in just one spot. Instead, they move between the sink, countertop, stove, and preparation areas throughout the day. The longer design is one of the first things that stands out. Compared to smaller anti-fatigue mats, a runner-style format provides cushioning across a larger section of the kitchen floor. For many American households, that can create a more comfortable cooking and cleaning experience. In real-world use, this type of mat is especially useful in front of kitchen sinks and countertops where people spend extended periods preparing meals, washing dishes, or cleaning up after family gatherings. Another major strength is ease of maintenance. Kitchens can be messy environments. Water, cooking oils, spills, pet food, and everyday debris are unavoidable. The water-resistant and oil-resistant surface helps simplify cleaning, making it practical for busy households. The anti-slip design is another important feature. Safety matters, particularly in kitchens where wet floors are common. A mat that stays in place helps reduce unwanted movement during daily use. Number 3. Step-Right Kitchen Mats, 2-piece kitchen rugs, cushion anti-fatigue kitchen mats for floor, non-slip standing desk mat, waterproof kitchen rug set for kitchen, floor, office, 17.3 inches by 30 inches plus 17.3 inches by 47 inches. If you're looking at the Step-Right kitchen mat set, one of the biggest reasons this product stands out in the US market is that it includes 2 separate anti-fatigue mats instead of a single mat. For many American households, that's a practical advantage because most kitchens have more than one standing area. In real-world use, homeowners often spend time at the sink, kitchen island, stove, and food preparation area throughout the day. A 2-piece set allows you to place cushioning exactly where you need it most instead of concentrating all your comfort in one location. The first thing most buyers notice is convenience. Instead of purchasing multiple mats separately, the included sizes provide coverage for different work zones. In larger American kitchens, this can create a more comfortable cooking experience because you're not constantly stepping off a cushioned surface onto a hard floor. The anti-fatigue foam construction is designed to reduce pressure on your feet, knees, and lower back. If you've ever spent an hour preparing meals for a family gathering, holiday dinner, or weekend meal prep session, you already know how tiring hard floors can become. Another strength is versatility. These mats are commonly used in kitchens, but many Americans also place them in laundry rooms, home offices, workshops, and standing desk setups. The waterproof surface makes them especially practical for areas where spills occur regularly. The non-slip design is another important feature. Kitchens are naturally high-traffic environments, and stability matters when moving around carrying dishes, cookware, or groceries. Number 4. Kangaroo Cushion Anti-Fatigue Mats for Kitchen Floor. Reduce foot, knee, back pressure. 3/4 inch thick ergonomic mat, waterproof comfort rug for under sink, standing desk, store floors, 17 by 24. If you're considering the Kangaroo Anti-Fatigue Mat, you're looking at a product designed around one primary goal: providing substantial comfort while standing for extended periods. In the US market, Kangaroo mats are best known for their thick cushioning and ergonomic support. This type of mat appeals to buyers who spend significant time standing in one location and want noticeable relief from hard flooring. One of the biggest strengths is the generous cushioning. At approximately 3/4 of an inch thick, the mat creates a noticeable buffer between your body and hard surfaces like tile, wood, concrete, or laminate floors. In real-world American households, this type of mat is commonly placed in front of kitchen sinks, standing desks, laundry stations, workshop benches, and craft tables. Anywhere you tend to stand for long periods can potentially benefit from anti-fatigue support. The ergonomic design is intended to reduce pressure on the feet, ankles, knees, and lower back. Many homeowners don't realize how much stress hard flooring creates until they try a well-cushioned anti-fatigue mat. Another advantage is durability. Waterproof surfaces help simplify maintenance, which is especially important in kitchens where spills and splashes occur regularly. The compact size also works well in smaller kitchens or apartments where floor space is limited. Rather than covering a large area, the mat focuses on maximizing comfort in one specific standing location. Number 5. Ofany Kitchen Mats for Floor. 3/4 inch thick, 20 by 39 anti-fatigue cushioned mat, kitchen rugs, waterproof, comfort ergonomic standing mat for office, home, sink, black non-slip ridged bottom. If you're looking at the Ofany kitchen mat, you're considering a product that tries to balance comfort, floor coverage, and practicality. In the US market, this mat is best known for providing anti-fatigue support with a larger single mat footprint than many compact alternatives. For American homeowners, the larger dimensions can be a meaningful advantage. Kitchens aren't always designed around a single standing position. Many people move between the sink, prep area, and cooking surface while preparing meals. The 3/4 inch cushioning immediately contributes to comfort. Whether you're cooking dinner, washing dishes, baking, or handling meal prep for the week, standing on a cushioned surface generally feels much better than standing directly on tile or hardwood floors. Another strength is the waterproof construction. Kitchens are one of the messiest rooms in the house, and easy cleanup is an important factor for busy families. The non-slip ridged bottom also helps improve stability. This is especially useful in homes with children, pets, or frequent kitchen traffic. The larger size provides a middle ground between compact mats and full-length runners. For many American kitchens, that balance works well because it offers meaningful coverage without dominating the floor space. Those are my picks for the top 5 best kitchen mats. Some focus on extra cushioning and support, while others stand out for durability, style, or easy maintenance. The right choice depends on your kitchen setup and how much time you spend on your feet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. ****